안녕하세요 everyone, this is Jia. Today we'll be making soya. It's a sausage stir fry with vegetables that is popular as a side dish, but very popular for lunchbox actually. Let's get started. Lunchbox in Korean, it is a 도시락. In my school days, whoever brought this side dish in their lunchbox was very popular, and they would share their banchan, the side dish, with their friends. My soya recipe is very simple. Slice the sausage into 1/2 inch thick. And chop the onion. In a pan, add some cooking oil. And when it's heated, add the sausages and onion to the pan. Stir fry until sausages are lightly browned. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix it, and then we want to lower the heat and cook for additional 2 minutes. Stir-fried soy sauce gives a smoke flavor to this dish, and sweet and sour ketchup tastes amazing when it's cooked with soy sauce. This sausage side dish can be served warm or in a room temperature. If you put in a container, it can be refrigerated for about 3 to 4 days. Give it a try. It's very easy to make, and let me know if you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.